Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix black screen on launch games. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files integrity. Content many game launchers, Steam, Epic Game Store, GOG Galaxy, and have built-in tools to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the black screen. Look at the game in your library, right-click on it, and look for an option, such as Verify Integrity of Game Files and Repair or a similar phrase. The process may take some time, depending on the game's size. Once complete, restart your computer and attempt to launch the game again.
Step: outdate graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common culprit. Behind black screens on launch, visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Ensure you select the correct operating system and bit version, the bit or for bit. After downloading, you install your current drivers using the manufacturer's provided tool or Windows built-in device manager. Then install the newly downloaded drivers, restarting your computer once the installation is complete. Try launching the game again. Step: check system requirements. Content confirm that your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for the game. The game may be incompatible with your hardware. If your RAM or storage space doesn't meet the specifications, check the game's official website or Steam store page for detailed system requirements. If your system falls short, upgrading your components might be necessary to resolve the black screen issue.
Step: adjust in-game settings. Content if the game launches to a black screen, but you can still hear audio. The problem may lie within the in-game graphics settings. If possible, try accessing the game's settings menu by repeatedly pressing keys like Enter or Tab once inside. Lower the graphics settings, particularly resolution, texture quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing the graphical load might allow the game to render properly and fix the black screen. If you can't access the settings, proceed to the next step. Step: reinstall the game content. As a last resort, reinstalling the game can resolve issues stemming from corrupted game files that weren't detected during file verification. Completely uninstall the game from your system using the control panel or the game launcher, then download and install the game again from the original source, Steam, Epic Game Store, etc. Ensure you have sufficient disk space before starting the installation process. This method can be time-consuming, but is often effective in resolving persistent black screen errors.